Welcome back to the DD Performance Research MR2 Squared project. This is the evening of day 29 and gonna jump right in here with our updates for today. So first thing we've got today is the upper plenum flange. So this flange you see here just got back from CNC. We posted the drawings for it over the weekend. That is the upper plenum that will go on top of here and be welded to it. That will be its mating flange, and then the lower plenum is still getting CNC machined. Hopefully it will be done tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon. Coming over to the car, we have a bunch of cool stuff to show you. Got the car up in the air today, and the reason for that is we've been working on the rest of the turbo system. So obviously you remember the rear bank. You've seen that before in previous versions. Well, what you haven't seen before is the front bank. So we do have the up pipe from the front bank here. As you can see, you've got a V-band connection there. You've got that bellows that connects the front to the rear on it. Another V-band connection there, and then I'll get you a little illumination up here with my flashlight, and you can see the turbo manifold up there. So I have showed you the turbo manifold before off the car, but that's how it goes. As you can see, the clearances are pretty tight, but actually still not so bad. And as you can see, when the up pipe comes back here, it comes back to that the center wastegate right there, and then comes over and into the twin scroll inlet for the turbo. So that's that. Another thing you can see at the rear of the car, haven't really talked about it before, it does have the very first DD Performance Research custom rear subframe. These ones, it was a one-off. It was going to be our production piece, and it was just a little too complex. The cost on production was too high, so we've gone to a different design. But this one is still really cool, and you can see it's got the battle version suspension on there, so it's a spherical bearing, tubular lower control arms, toe control arms, and trailing arms. So all sorts of good stuff as far as rear stability of the car is concerned. And then one last update on the front of the car here. We've got the heat exchanger mounted. So you can see here we've added a tubular front bumper, and we've also got our nice big aluminum heat exchanger mounted there. You can see we fabricated the two upper mounts for it. And then around the other side, you can see that side. I've not done the plumbing for it yet. You do have the AN fittings already welded onto the end tanks though. And you can see from under here how thick that core is. So no issues with too little heat exchanger on this car for sure. All right, well, thank you guys for joining us for day 29 of the MR2 Squared project. Please keep the likes and comments and questions coming. And I hope you all have a great day.